Hi guys, it's another day of my beautifying myself daily routine. Makeup is real. Makeup is life for me. So now I'm going to apply my eyeshadow, guys. I'm using this, by the way. Look at the package, it's beautiful with a ribbon. And tap, tap, tap. Always tap, guys. Every time you pick up product, always tap so to remove the excess product. And then when you tap it lightly, not hard, so you don't pick up a lot of product. So that's a tip if you wanna start doing your eyeshadow. And you can build it up as much as you can. Sometimes it's scary when you start because you don't know what you're trying to do and you wanna achieve that look you want to. So this is perfect for all new beginners that you don't know yet. This is only simple makeup tutorial for everyone who loves to start their makeup, specifically eyeshadow, because this is a tricky procedure. You don't know what you start up, but that was a start on the lid, around the lid, like transition color, the light color, and then you have to blend it around the lid and to the crest, and that's what I did, right? Just a wiper motion to keep doing like that. And then right now I'm doing the outer corner there, which is the darker color, and then blend it just like this, and then blend it towards inside just like that, and you can get the dimension of your eyes and then blend it out. So for lip up effect, oh, I don't have my lipstick yet. I don't even put color on my lips, but we're focusing on my eyes. We're focusing on the eyes, guys, for now, okay? So that's right there. Good enough. If you're happy just like this look, you're good. And if you want more, you can add more to look more smoky eye effect. And this is only what I want. And then whatever I put on the top, I like to use the angle brush just to give here the bottom, and then lip up just like that, just light, just to line your not eyeliner, but underneath your what do you call this, lash line. Okay, and then I switch to the different brush just to use the first one I use, which is the lightest one. I just go around it, and you can see the difference right from there. That's it in the bottom, guys. Simple. And then I'm gonna find a color for my eyelid. So I have this color, guys. This one, I like it. So you can see that. Sparkly, sparkle, light sparkle. Not a lot of sparkle. You don't need that unless you're going out night out. So it's you know, it's reflect on the lights. And this is daytime look, guys, so I don't need sparkle. This is like a shimmer on the eyelid that you have to put on to give you a little bit sparkling, eye sparkling. And that's it, guys. There you go. And then I'm gonna switch another one brush. Where's my small brush? And I'm gonna use this on the center, I mean inner corner, teardrop. This is a highlight. I use highlight or lighter eye shimmer, but I use highlight this time, just like that. Very simple. I hope you enjoy watching and like this video if you like this tutorial. And if you're new here, welcome. I would love to have you. If you wanna click the button follow, feel free to do that, and feel free to share this video so some of them can watch and then learn. Sharing is a caring. So I wanna inspire everyone to enjoy self-love, self-care. Taking care of ourselves is not a bad thing, or enhancing our beauty is not a bad thing. And I know there's a limitation that it's up to you. That's all up to you, guys. So I'm done with my eyeshadow. I was talking, but supposed to be it takes like 5 minutes. Mostly if I'm in a hurry. But this is love. And then there you have it, guys. Simple look for daily routine to give you a little bit compliments for yourself. You don't have to wait anyone to compliment your look, just for yourself. And if they do, then thank you. You don't have to. Alright, guys, so here's my eyeshadow using this beautiful Pat McGrath Mothership Mega, part of this Mega palette, but it has mixed with the blush, so I didn't use the blush. See, this one is broken because very like powdery, so close and open, that can cause. Alright, so that's all, guys. Have a great day. Enjoy your day. Enjoy the rest of the day if you just start. And if you're sleeping, good night, world.